Here we go. Good morning. Rise and shine. I'm sorry you had to hear that. First off, thank you to NeoCell for sponsoring this video. Second of all, this is me fake sleeping. I'm trying to act out a morning routine here because you guys do not want to see me really waking up. I'm just kidding. It looks like this. This is me really waking up, pretty much. First thing I do is play with one of my kitties. I had 4 cats, and one of them is normally in the bed with me, so it gets all the attention and love, whichever one it is. Today, it's Princess Peach. Then I play on my phone for a little bit, but honestly, nowadays, I focus on being in the present so much. I spend 2 to 3 minutes on my phone, and I'm up and out of bed. Social media is always available, but, you know, trying to live in the present. 2020 goals here. And then I hop out of the bed, and then I head to the bathroom, and I do my thing. Next up, I'm going to head downstairs and we're going to make a super yummy smoothie, and we're going to get a little workout in today, so hang tight for that. Alright, my beautiful peeps, I'm going to show you guys how I make the yummiest smoothie ever. So first, I have a plate of blueberries and berries. You can pick your favorite berries and put them in there, but I do chop up the strawberries. First, I like to add the 1 scoop of the NeoCell French Vanilla Super Collagen. Today, I'm gonna be using the NeoCell Super Collagen French Vanilla flavor, and I'm gonna add this into my shake. The reason I use NeoCell powder is because clinical studies have shown that taking collagen can promote healthy collagen formation throughout the body, and NeoCell supports healthy collagen formation to create youthful skin, healthy hair, yes God, and nails, and radiant beauty from inside out. What I'm going to do is make a shake, and all you have to do is add 1 scoop into your shake and it will dissolve. And by the way, you can buy this on Amazon. Alrighty, let's get into this shake a little bit more. Thank you, NeoCell, for sponsoring this video. So this shake is super amazing because it has the NeoCell French Vanilla Collagen in it, and I love, love, love collagen because it's so good for your hair, skin, and nails. But not only that, it's also really good for your joint. Next up, you're gonna wanna add a little bit of milk. Eyeball it about as much as milk as you want. Then I add 2 spoonfuls of fat-free vanilla yogurt, and now remember those delicious berries that we chopped? Yeah, so we're gonna add them in now, and again, you can just add whatever fruit that you're digging at that time. So now we're gonna go ahead and put the lid on and blend this bad boy up. It looks so pretty. Guys, isn't this freaking gorgeous? I'm obsessed. Okay, now it's time to drink the yumminess. So we are going to screw on our lid cover. All right, guys. It is so yummy and very filling. So now what I'm gonna do is drink some of this and then do a little outside workout. You want some?
Tastes like berries.
It does taste like berries. It's super good. Okay, I'm procrastinating working out. Good morning. You ready for school? No. You have to go every day. No. The kitty loves. Super. Yeah, he's being sweet today. That's Booty. What are you eating for breakfast?
Probably Pop-Tart.
What are you wearing to school?
This.
That is pajamas. You're not wearing that. You're crazy. Is your car here?
5 minutes away.
Your limo service is arriving.
Be here soon.
To take you to school.
Take me to school.
Are you going to hang out with your friends before school?
Yeah, I'm gonna go to the donut shop and get either a donut or a bagel.
Well, have a good day.
Thanks, mate. You
So you're
too.
not take a snack.
I will.
Get a yummy snack.
I'm gonna 2 granola bars.
Okay. I'm going to work out today.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to edit a video. I have a meeting.
Ooh.
I to get cat food
And cat litter.
and cat litter.
Mm-hmm.
And, oh, thanks for reminding me. Yes, cat litter. And then
You have to pick me up.
I'll pick you up from school. Okay. Guys, we are outside. The mornings in California are almost always really beautiful. So we're gonna do a little workout. Sometimes I do this part of my day at nighttime. Then sometimes I do it in the morning. Since it's been so beautiful lately, I'm doing it in the morning. It's just what it is. I'm just about done with my skincare. Don't forget, collagen supports healthy skin as well. And now I am about to be on my way to get ready to run some errands. All right, hey, now that skincare is done, I've kind of showered off really quickly. I'm now gonna go ahead and get dressed for the day. And some days I'm at home editing all day, so I can just put sweats back on or something comfy. But today I'm gonna go run some errands and do some different stuff just because I just got back from vacation, so I really need to go do a ton of stuff, so I'm actually gonna get dressed today. This is my OOTD. I just have on some comfy boots, some distressed jeans, a black tee, that's my name, a sun hat because it's super sunny today, and that's it. So I'm gonna go out and run some errands, and I might lose the jacket depending on how warm it is outside. Alrighty guys, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for being here watching. I already got hot in the leather jacket. So I had to take it off, but I'll bring it with me on my adventures today. Thank you guys so much for being here with me. Thank you, NeoCell, for sponsoring this video. Yeah, this is a pretty typical morning with me. Super interesting and fun. Anyways, also I didn't do makeup in this video. I do makeup in all my videos all the time, and realistically, if I'm going out to run errands, I will just put some skincare and sunscreen on. I don't really wear makeup. I just do makeup so often that I don't guess I really, feel the need to whenever I don't have to. Anyways, I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye guys.